Well, hello there, friends. This is May 20. That's the name of the title of this painting. It's the 20th painting in my May Flowers 2022 collection. So you see here that I was wanting to explore further, a little more simplistic, floral, but as I started painting it, the colors weren't coming out the way I wanted them to come out. And so I just kept going. I really like utilizing a warm underpainting, this yellow. It's challenging and fun, and so I had prepared this with sunny yellow acrylic paint. It's 5x7, and I am exploring florals and patterned vases and patterned tablecloths and patterned backgrounds and bright colors and and layering lots and lots of colors. So yesterday I sketched out 3 florals, and I did a May 21, which I've already posted on YouTube and TikTok, and it is currently for sale on eBay as well. This painting has been listed on eBay for sale as well. If you're interested, hurry on up on over and bid on it. It'll be a chance to get an original. I had a little bit of technical difficulties here, but I overcame them, so hopefully that wasn't too big of a transition for you. So yeah, just intuitively, I have a reference in front of me of some colors that I wanted, kind of the color scheme I wanted to use, but I don't know if it was my gouache or the fact that I'm painting over this yellow background, but for some reason I wasn't able to capture the exact color scheme that I wanted, but that's just how it goes. So I think it still came out okay. It's a very expressive and gestural and not very realistic. Again, trying to paint peonies, trying to make it very colorful. I just wanted a little different shade of peachy pink and a little different shade of blue in the tablecloth. But I just keep going with it and keep trying, and I hope you enjoy these painting demonstrations because it's a little bit of work. Oh, and there's Jackson in the background. And mostly what takes the time is the editing. It's no big deal to paint and have the camera rolling. It's just a little bit of a big deal to get some time to do the voiceover. Anyway, thanks for checking it out. Okay, so for the details, this is a 5x7 inch painting on 140 pound watercolor paper. I'm painting with gouache watercolor over an acrylic underpainting, and it's for sale on eBay. And hopefully this video demonstration helps you. I just kind of go in, well, normally I don't have a plan, but I'm going into these paintings with somewhat of a plan. I had a direction I wanted to go with this color-wise, and I'd already done the drawing, so composition's done. But I didn't quite make it where I wanted to go, but they still come out pretty, and that's the good thing about floral. So hey, thanks for checking out my video. Thanks for checking out my art. Please like, subscribe, leave a positive review. Blah, blah, blah. Those things you do on the internet cost you nothing. Thanks. Bye.